Hey crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my November design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. Stacy has created a great Steampunk Christmas kit. It is available in her Etsy shop. I will have the link down in the description box, and it is on sale right now, so be sure to look in the description box for the coupon code so that you can get a discount on this beautiful kit. In addition to Stacy's digital kit in my journal, I have decided to use something from my stash. This is an old paper kit that I had, and this is an 8x8 paper pad from Graphic 45 called Christmas Time, and it was a great Steampunk Christmas themed kit that I thought would work well with Stacy's designs, so I pulled that out and decided to use that in addition to her images. I created a hardback journal from a recycled book that I got from a thrift store. I stenciled the background with some frosted embossing powder from Tim Holtz. I did that on the front and on the back. You can see it on the back a little bit better, maybe if I angle the camera just a little bit. I also added some mica flakes and some steampunk gears. On the spine, I used a stencil and used some textured paste and added a few more mica flakes here. For the cover, I took some of the embellishments from the Graphic 45 kit, popped that up with some foam tape, used a wax seal here that was steampunk, and again used an image from the Graphic 45 and a little charm dangle that I got last year on clearance, and just attached that with an eyelet right into the cover of the book. So we open the book up, and again I did a hidden spine on this one, so I sewed my signatures in on this fabric and then glued the fabric down into the book, the spine of the book. After I had put my backing papers down, I used one of Stacy's pockets here to create a pocket. And then I've got a couple of embellishments from her kit. The tag, I used some book page, some of her embellishments, and just did a butcher's twine tag pull. I did not do all my pages the same size in this book. I wanted to add a little bit of variation. So this is a page from the Graphic 45. I added some baker's twine with some eyelets here. And then on this side, I continued the wraparound of the baker's twine and added the ornaments from Stacy's kit using eyelets just tied to the baker's twine. This is one of Stacy's images. I created a cluster using one of Stacy's images, her word strips, and a piece from the Graphic 45. Again, Graphic 45 paper here. Added a lace trim. Love this image from Stacy's kit, this beautiful steampunk girl with the poinsettias. In her kit, she's got lots of writing space. I wanted to make sure to leave that. I love writing space in journals to make them more useful versus decorative. Got some of the images from the Graphic 45, tag from Stacy. I used some Tim Holtz Christmas sentiments there. Again, another half page here. More lace trim, Graphic 45 images here, Stacy's image, one of Stacy's tags, and I created a pocket with it. Tag from Stacy's kit. The wonderful geared reindeer here with the wreath. Created a pocket from Stacy's kit. I added some Nuvo drops to make the holly berries a little more three-dimensional. Created a tag from the Graphic 45 paper and another one of the tags from Stacy's kit. Created a pocket here from Stacy's kit. Used one of the images from the Graphic 45 to create a little picture plate here. One of Stacy's tags. Used her embellishments, the ticket, backed it with some book page to create a cluster. Center of my booklet here, again, is just tied in with the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Created a cluster here with some book page, an image from Graphic 45, and one of Stacy's images. Used one of the Graphic 45 images here to make a pocket to put one of Stacy's tags in. And created a little cluster here with some distressed cheesecloth. One of Stacy's corner tuck pockets. She's got some large tags in this one, make great journaling spots. Graphic 45 journaling card. Love Santa here. He is ready for Christmas Eve. Got the tag. It's the spirit of Christmas. Created a tuck spot here using some Graphic 45 paper, Stacy's embellishments, and I put these on a brad. They are not movable though because I did glue that down so it would make a good tuck spot. Cluster here using some of Stacy's images and the Graphics 45. This just shows you how well these images work with Stacy's images. More journaling area. Another beautiful girl with the poinsettia. Graphic 45 paper. Another lace trim here. These came from Stacy's kit. The gears and the lock. Created another corner tuck pocket here with Stacy's images, some more distressed cheesecloth. This is one of Stacy's embellishments in her kit. Makes great journaling area. Used some Graphic 45 images here to create a stacked pockets. Some tags from Stacy's kit. Took some material, same material I've got here. I think this came from Joann's. Made a fabric flip. Glued on some images from Stacy's kit to create a little cluster. Created a cluster here. Made a pocket here from one of Stacy's images and her tickets inside that. Made a corner tuck pocket here from one of the Graphic 45 images. Created some little journaling cards. Used a corner chomper here for some decoration for the journal cards. This is one of Stacy's large journal cards I've attached with a copper paper clip. Use the corner chomper here. And added a little word strip. Used one of Stacy's large journaling cards here to create a large pocket for one of her tickets. Created a corner tuck pocket here with one of her images. Journaling card. Some of the journaling cards you may notice I added some stickles to those for some highlights on those embellishments. Journal card there. And one from Graphic 45. This one I love. She has The Christmas Carol, which is one of my favorite Christmas stories, and I had a Tim Holtz sentiment strip here, "'Tis Only the Ghost of a Christmas Past," that I thought worked well with that. My center spread here, I love this forest steampunk image. The snow scene and the tree was beautiful. I added some Nuvo drops here for a little bit of highlights to the lanterns. Here I took one of Stacy's images for her embellishment and fussy cut that out and made it a corner tuck. For this background paper here, I used Tim Holtz tumbled glass and distressed that, and then I went back with the Distress Mica Winter Frost to make the splatters. One of Stacy's images here to make a pocket, again for her tag, and I did again use the Nuvo drops to add some dimension to the holly berries. Added some stickles to the Christmas fairy here, her dress for some embellishment. Did a flip up with one of her large tags here and added a metal gear. The Graphics 45 paper, but Stacy's image and a Graphics 45 sentiment strip there. Added some more lace trim here. Santa's ready to go out for Christmas Eve. Made a little cluster, again with a Graphics 45 image and one of Stacy's images. Again, this just shows how well these two kits work together. So when you're using digital kits, don't hesitate to go back to your stash, see what else you have that might coordinate with those kits. If you want to make a larger book, like I did here, and you don't think the kit is quite big enough and you don't want to print multiple pages of the same images, you can always mix and match those, and most things you can find a kit and something in your stash that works really well together. And then the last page is this beautiful steampunk Christmas tree, gears from Stacy's kit, embellishments here, and I had in my stash some wooden snowflakes that I thought looked a lot like gears, so I kind of lined those like gears and then painted those gold, and then the back of the journal. So again, this is a beautiful kit Stacy's created, Steampunk Christmas. She designed this kit, I think, after we did the challenge with the Steampunk Halloween, so she wanted to continue into the holiday season with the Steampunk Christmas. It has given me some ideas. I may do some more steampunk holidays. Just have to check out the channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. I do have some new things that are coming up for 2025 that I hope you'll enjoy. And so until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.